Bullish estimates of how much Algorand will cost in 2030 run from 76 cents to 1.44 cents. Market experts agree that by 2025, Algo could be worth 59 cents. Bearish algorithm and market cost estimate for 2023 is 13 cents. Showing an algorithm since its start in 2019, the Algorand digital money have had trouble rising above their ICO value. When the blockchain and COI banks worked together to improve El Salvador's digital currency system, the price of Algo went up in September 2021. However, it has since lost most of these gains. Cost estimating websites are hopeful that it will return to similar amounts one day. What's next for the altcoin? Then we should look at the action of the blockchain algorithm in more depth and look at how its price has changed. How does Algorand, the Algorand blockchain, hopes to solve the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization by using Algo as its local money algorithm? It does this by making and approving blocks through a process called unadulterated proof of stake. How much Algo does a customer, how randomly the block chief and approval group are chosen depends on how much people bet. Algorand was created by Professor Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the United States in 2017. Its blockchain and local currency came out in June 2019. The Algo coin price in a flash filled dropped from $2.40 to $2.16 on June 22, the first day of trading, a day after Algo's initial coin sale. This was just the beginning. The worth kept going down over the next few months, and on September 27, 2019, it hit a low of 19 cents. This crash happened for a number of reasons. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be transferred slowly. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public closeout during the first 5 years after the organization's foundation. Even though the public price was high, the market couldn't handle the large number of Algo and financial backers. $24 billion value. Algorand technical analysis showed that after Algo's currency was added to Coinbase, its price went up quickly. According to Algor, it was one of the fastest on the platform, and when the news came out, the price had gone up about 30 cents. Over the next year and a half, Algo tried to get past the 50 cents edge and even beat its starting price. Despite a few increases, the currency started to show a bullish pattern toward the end of the year. Throughout the year, the token backed this growth in the long run, which reached a long-term high of 1.71 cents, similar to the previous price drop of the LGO. Stablecoin interest was the first stablecoin to combine the reliability of government money with the independence of digital currencies. Algorand has become a serious choice for stablecoin backers because Ethereum has high gas costs. This is thanks to a joint effort between the momentary currency and the stablecoin community. Exchange market for Instamatch worldwide. Algorand stood out, too. Algorand worked with Milio. Algorand is now valued at 16 cents USD. Algo has changed 5.56% as of right now, and there have been 58,963,256 trades. Using the general strength list moving weighted normal, Algorand is currently number 41 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $1,185,712,319 US. Williams's fractals and regular movement. We can tell if we're going to have a good or bad year based on the difference between the two graphs above. Our cost expectation numbers use a continuous algorithm to do this. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. From some points of view, Algorand is one of the most impressive digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 25 cents. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. An average price of 23 cents is very high, but it's possible soon, given expected coordinated efforts. The starting value of Algo should be 20 cents. 2024 out of 2024 in terms of Algor and value. Algor and Algo cost forecast has a lot of room to grow because it is expected to be used by many people. With the announcements of new groups and projects, we think that the price of Algo will soon be more than 42 cents. Even so, we should wait to see if the Algo's general strength list comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish trades. Bets that take into account how unstable the market is: the base exchange cost for Algo will be 33 cents, and the average exchange cost will be 37 cents. Algorithm value estimate for 2025 if the pattern keeps going up and down until 2025. It could go up to 59 cents, and if there's a decay on the market, Algo might do well. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, Algo is expected to trade for an average of 54 cents and a minimum of 50 cents. Algorand value assumption for 2026: if the Algorand works well, the price of an Algo coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. In 2026, Algo will be green. In 2026, the algorithm is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, a unit of virtual currency will be worth 76 cents, with a starting price of 67 cents and an average price of 71 cents. Algorand value expectation: after looking at a lot of guanjing and doing some specialized research, we think that the Algo cost will go over 88 cents by 2027. With an average price of 84 cents expected by the end of the year also, Algo's highest possible value is 93 cents. We think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price to around $1.05, and if LGO can break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $1.10. If AI doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a minimum of $1.02 in fines. Algorand value forecast for 2029: the LGO is working to make it easier for organizations to work together. The bullish trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at $1.19 and the annual rate will be close to $1.27 in 2029. Algorand value expectation: 2030. By 2030 will finally do better than its previous ADH values and record new costs. Low levels: the starting price could be $1.36, and the highest price could be $1.44, for an average of $1.39. Algorand value expected: 2031. The digital money market is known to be very unpredictable, which is one of the many reasons why cost estimating is a difficult task. Tries to predict future costs as accurately as possible. However, all predictions should not be taken as financial advice, and you should dire in 2031. We expect that cryptocurrency will be accepted in many places. If there is a bull market in 2031, the highest Algo price is expected to be 1.67 cents, and the average price is expected to be 1.60 cents.